Hello, dear traders. Hello, and welcome back. Welcome to our new challenge, which is actually Back to the Future challenge. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us thumbs up. Don't forget that we have social networks, and of course, you may leave your comments below this video. My name is Nick.
And I am Shahbaz.
Welcome, Shahbaz. Welcome to everybody. So, my friends, Shahbaz, by the way, so yesterday we had a really interesting battle, yeah, so between different analysts, between our two analysts, yes, and the battle was called East versus West. What do you think? So what was it about?
Oh, actually, the story goes back to the Trump presidency. In 2016 to 2020, between his presidency, there was a trade war between U.S. and China. Actually, what Trump was trying to do was to impose the tariffs on Chinese goods so that the trade deficit of US should decrease as compared to China. China was capturing US market, and it was gaining a lot. And at that time, the Trump introduced these tariffs to counter Chinese goods.
Well, that's for sure, my friends, and actually what we are speaking about, so why is it Back to the Future, yes? So that decisions that Trump made, yeah, so when he was president, so to 2016, 2018, the decisions right now it have a strong impact on the present situation. What impact, Shahbaz? So what do you think?
Actually, the things are very connected. Right now, the inflation in US is around 8%.
Even more.
Even more, and it is growing. And to counter this inflation, what US government is actually thinking is to reduce that tariff that earlier Trump has imposed on the Chinese good. What it will do is it will increase the supply of Chinese cheap products into the US market. And when this product will enter the market at lower rate, then for the US competitors, they will also try not to lose the market which they have. So they have to reduce their prices so that they can compete with these Chinese goods. And actually, this will be a good move from the US to reduce the supply side inflation. And yeah.
Well, at least this will be an attempt, yes. So because right now, my friends, well, the situation is quite tough. Yes, for the U.S. economy, so there are no ways just to do something. Yes, with the oil price, right now the oil price is quite high, and so they need to fight somehow the inflation. So that's one of the ways.
Yeah.
Yes, it's just to cancel some of the previous decisions. Yes, so the previous president decisions. But by the way, so. At that time, some countries, so they benefited from these decisions too. So, Shahbaz, well, I know that you are originally from India, so maybe you tell us more about the Indian market and what happened in 2016, 2018, so how India benefited such situations. So what do you think?
Oh, so actually, India tried to capture that market which China was losing. So, all the American companies, India tried to attract them, because India has a huge population, huge young population, and they wanted the companies to manufacture their goods not in China but in India, so that unemployment rate definitely will decrease. The Indian government will get tax from this foreign companies, so GDP will eventually, it will boost our GDP. So also India has made many initiatives like Made in India product. So Indian government also publicized this that to manufacture goods in India, and actually it was quite an successful move, because many big names like Apple started their iPhone production unit in India, and also Samsung has started production in India, and many Japanese firms are also shifting their supply chain, moving out of China and shifting towards India and Vietnam to the alternative markets.
Well, yeah, so I see. So it's a really doubtful question, yes, so who won this trade war, yes, well, as we can see right now, yes, well, the U.S. is going to cancel some of the decisions which were made, but anyway, so speaking about the yesterday's battle, we have the winner. We have the winner, and it is Yaroslav.
Oh.
So Yaroslav earns $15. Well, and so he is on the first place. But anyway, both of our analysts, so they made profits.
Okay.
By the way, so that's
Cool.
really good. And by the way, my friends, also, speaking about our traders and speaking about you, by the way, so we actually have winners out of our traders too. Yeah, so those of you, my friends, who left comments, so we asked you to leave the comments about the Asia Composite Index and your forecast, so your points of view on the present situation. So thank you very much for your comments. Thank you very much for your activity. And right now, we chose 4 people who left their comments with their forecast, and we decided to give prizes to all of them, and especially to one person who had the most, the biggest amount of likes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's try to go through all of our winners, and the first one is Vadim Pro. So I know that Vadim Pro is from Russia. So greetings, Vadim. So Vadim wrote, Asia Composite Index will be 6,149. I believe it will rise because on a 4-hour time frame we have just moved up on SMA 50, and moreover the graph went out of 4-hour consolidation, retraced to it, and now moves up again. So clear uptrend. That's a really good, by the way, a really good note. Yeah. So clear uptrend. That's really so. So Asia Composite Index is rising right now, my friends. And as we speak, Asia Composite Index is moving around $6,140. So actually, Vadim is quite close to the current price. Okay. So congratulations, Vadim.
And so the next comment is from Geo, and Geo writes that Asia Composite Index will be around 6136.48, and no explanation was given, but still the forecast was pretty close to the current price and only $4 away. So definitely, Geo, you will also get the risk-free trade.
Well, that's truly so. So Geo, thank you very much. So well, as we can see, my friends, so it's really close, just $3.5 a mistake. So it's almost nothing.
Yeah.
Yes. What do you think? Okay. So well, who's the next one?
So the next one is Muhammad Atif. So Muhammad Atif writes, I believe it will be 6142.95 because I see on the frame 1 hour and 4 hour looks like we have a cup and handle. So the price will hit the resistance of 6148, then will go back down to 6142.95, and then will go up again. So final answer is 6142.95, and actually this is perfect.
This is definitely perfect. And by the way, so what I like to mention, so he mentions a really interesting graphical pattern. Yes, a cup and a cup with a handle. Yes, so my friends, we meet it quite rarely, but still, it's really good that our traders use this technical analysis. Yes, such things. And the main winner for today. The main winner is Vakheny Ritham. So by the way, Shahbaz told me that this is an Indian name. Yeah? So a guy is definitely from India, my friends. And he wrote to us, as for me, well, I guess Asia Composite Index will be above support level of 6,132.97. Which is already broken, and the highest price may be at resistance level at around 6,150 bucks, but I'm sure that it will fluctuate between support and resistance. So he preferred just to write the range, so where the index will be, but he's right, the index is in this range, and moreover, Vecchini took around 6 likes, so this is the most amount of likes, so that's why Vecchini, thanks a lot, you will get even 2 prizes, yes, and so guys, that's how it is. Again, so don't forget to our next streams, don't forget that next week we will have the same, yeah? So at first we will have a trading battle, and then we will have such like entertainment stream in the studio where we'll speak more about our winners. So thanks a lot.
And also we will speak about the COVID-19 and
Pandemic.
Yeah, and that's it for today, Nick. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, and of course, my friends, don't forget to leave your comments, to leave your questions in the comment section below this video. Thanks for coming, and see you next time.
Yeah. See you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.